Here at Publix, I'm gonna do a new series. I am feeling uninspired lately, so I even am sick of my own content. I am like, if I'm sick of my content, you're probably definitely sick of my content. You tell me, first of all, what I could do to make it better, honestly, because I am sick of myself. It takes a lot for me to be sick of myself, and I am. So I thought, why don't we do some grocery hauls? I've got a bunch of ideas, but I'm interested in seeing what you think. I'm gonna show you some things in Publix that will transform your meal. You ready to party?
Let's do it.
No bag?
No bag. I don't do that. I throw everything right in the cart. Edition sausages are the best. But so we're gonna flip the switch here. We're gonna get Nashville Hot instead. Look how good that is. Flip my flavor profile, and we're gonna do something with this.
I don't like the face on that.
No, it's reminding me of like Eyes Wide Shut or like Epstein Files. No, thank you.
I'm telling you, you have to watch Blink twice. It's
Is it
eye-opening.
like that?
It's eye-opening.
Oh my god, I'm scared just thinking about it because I don't even like looking at the news on that stuff because even that I just won't buy it. Sorry, who made it? Oh brothers, sounds satanic. Favorite dressing is Lighthouse, so I don't know. It tastes exactly like Outback Steakhouse blue cheese dressing. You don't have to make it homemade. This is basically it. I worked there in the 90s when it was actually at its heyday. I usually get the Marie's brand, but they didn't have it, so we're gonna try the Marzetti, and we're gonna see how it is. Maybe it's better.
Give her a rating.
I love Publix bakery section, but these are the best hoagie rolls. They are the Martin's hoagie rolls, and they're soft. So if you like a soft hoagie roll, and all you have to do is toast them in the oven at 400 degrees for like 5 to 7 minutes, a light toast, and so it doesn't get soggy. The best. Ooh, look at this sausage. It's like veiny. They're not really playing any games with these, are they? Just throw them in a pan. They come out just as good as on the grill, trust me. Drizzle of olive oil. Put a little bit of oil on there because we want them to crisp up. I did flip the sausages. What are you guys doing? Are you guys having a relationship that I don't know about?
No, I actually met somebody.
Oh, she met somebody?
I'll show you. You want to show you what he looks like? I'll show you too.
Is Anthony jealous?
I will show you.
That looks like Justin Bieber.
Honestly?
Is that Justin Bieber? What is this?
It does look like Justin Bieber.
Maddie, are you serious?
I met somebody. His name is Justin.
That looks Did you make a fake video? How did you do this?
Did you fall for that?
It's AI.
I'm telling Haley. Now, I needed this necklace for multiple reasons. One, because it's to die for. Two, because guess what? Whatever, okay? So don't look, I know I need a new house. I don't want to talk about it. So I'm looking everywhere for this necklace. I had to do a brand deal with it. I could not find it anywhere, okay? So I was ripping my room apart. Actually, this is clean because my room is my room ever this clean? No, this is considered clean. I literally was looking everywhere. Then all of a sudden I said, St. Anthony. I said, Tony, come around, what's been lost must be found. Tony, come around, what's been lost must be found. I said it 3 times. So then I continued looking. I was on the phone. I'm like looking on the phone, and every time I would stop and I would look over here. For me, it usually has makeup everywhere, crap everywhere. And I kept looking at this one spot. No matter what, then I would go in the bathroom, would look all over the bathroom, then I'd come back out, and then I would look here. And then I came over here with all this junk, and I finally said, I know this isn't the necklace. And I went like this. The necklace was right under here. Okay, that's just one story. We're not gonna get into the second one because you probably didn't even want to hear that one. I'm just telling you it works, okay? Grillo pickles, that's very important. If you don't have Grillo pickles, you're doing everything wrong in life. Look at these pickles. Are you kidding me? Grillo.
If you don't like pickles, that's a red flag.
That's a red flag. I'm gonna put the oil right in. Put it in there. That's good. Then butter. Put the butter in there, okay? Look at this spice blend. Is that not glorious? It's got brown sugar, cayenne, spices. It's gorgeous. It's glorious. It goes to the party. Put it on medium heat. It's the best sauce you're ever gonna have in your life. That's not a joke. That's not an over-exaggeration. I just tried it on another camera. I'll have to put my reaction here. And Anthony, you could, I got so scared. That is the best sauce you're ever gonna have. No joke. Because we're gonna broil this really, really quick. So we're gonna take our coleslaw right in the toasted bun. First step is the coleslaw. And then sausages right on top of the coleslaw. Is it not so good? Deli sliced provolone. That's good. I might put 2. Now, this is where it's gonna get quick, okay? Your Nashville Hot Sausage Subbies, Sammies, whatever you wanna call them. And we are gonna broil them Just a hot second, just to melt the cheese. That's it. I'm not leaving the stove. I mean, Anthony, is this not perfect? Look at this. Definitely need photos too. You see, they're still soft. See how they're still soft? But they're actually also a little bit crisp so it doesn't get soggy. This is the perfect hoagie roll. I'm gonna give her a little, it looks like. Are you ready? Oh my God, I need to open a food truck. This is food truck food right here. Oh! This tastes like you got it at a food truck. It's the best thing you're gonna make all summer. Don't worry if you can't find it, just get regular sausage because it doesn't matter because it's so freaking good. I need a food truck. Take it.